Hello everyone, welcome to the Logical Loop channel. Today we will discuss another Leetcode problem of the day. The problem number is 769, max chunks to make the sorted array. Okay, so you are given an integer array of length n that represent a permutation of the integer in the range of the 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so like the n is 5, so the number will be like from 0 to 4. So like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, but it will be into the uh, like like mixed max order. Okay, so we split array into the sum number of the chunks up, that is partition, and individually sort each chunk. After concatenating them, the result should equal the sorted array. Return the largest number, like return the maximum number of the chunk we can make to sort the array. Okay, so we can say that like simply we want to sort the array according to that. Like each number will be on their index point. Okay, so like 0 will be on the like on 0, like 1 on the 1, 2 will be on the 2, 3 will be on the 3, and 4 will be on the 4. But we need to do by the dividing into the chunks, so that we will like suppose like here, like splitting into the 4 and 3, like 4 and 3, 2 and 1, and then sorry, yeah, 2, 1 and 0, it will be result like 3, 4, and okay, so like this. So like we'll take another example like 1, 0, 2, 3, 4. So we can split it array into like a four part, like 1, 0, like 1 and 0, 1 and 0. So it will be sorted, so it will become 0 and 1. Then we will take 2, it will be sorted. Then it will be take 3, it will sorted. Then we will 4, it will sorted. So the total number of the chunks will be the 4. What are the constant? Constant is like from 10. Okay, like from 1 to 10. Okay, so in this like in the brute approach, I can think of like we can use the monotonic stack, because we need to maintain the increasing order. Okay, like we need to maintain like from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we need to, yep, let's start with the brute approach. Root method. In this, we use the monotonic stack. What will we do? Like if the current element is bigger than the top of the monotonic stack, we will push it into stack so that it will form the new chunk. Okay, like suppose we find the current element is bigger than the top of the monotonic queue, so it will start the new chunk, na? It will start the new chunk. And if the current one is smaller than the monotonic stack, we will merge into that chunk. How will we do it? First of all, we will pop that we will take the max element into that stack, which is obviously the top, and then we will pop it out all the element, and then we push the max element into the stack again. Okay, so let's start the code. Let length will be the simple. Now let's take a monotonic stack. Okay, now I will start main logic. Okay, so here we need to check. Here we need to so here we need to check the current element in this current element. If monotonic stack length is empty, or array of I is greater than monotonic stack top, monotonic stack top, we will push it. Okay, monotonic stack dot push the current element. Else, if the current one is small, we will add into the chunk. Okay. So here we will, first of all, here we will take the max element, which is obviously the top of that monotonic because we are maintaining because we are maintaining monotonic stack in increasing order. Monotonic stack dot length minus one. Now here we will do like this. Monotonic stack length is greater than zero, and if array of I is small than, if small than, because we are maintaining the increasing order now. So if the current one is small, if the current one is small than to the top of the monotonic stack, obviously we will pop that monotonic stack top one, and we will push the maximum element so that it will maintain that increasing order. Monotonic stack dot length minus one, and we will pop it up. After that we will push the max element which we find here. Now at last we will return the length of monotonic stack. Let's run the code and see. Okay, the test case are passing, and let's submit it. Yep, it is passing all the test cases. So what is the complexity is here we are running the loop till length, and here we are checking each element, and after that we are removing that element. Okay, so here each element is iterating only one time, and the space complexity will be the n because we are taking the monotonic stack. Okay. Now let's talk about the optimal approach. Okay, so in the optimal approach, what we can say that first of all, we will find the max element. Okay, now we will check that max element with the iteration. Okay, so here the like the max element is in the first iteration is 4. So now we start the loop. Okay, so I equal to 0, I equal to 3, I equal to 1, I equal to 3, 2, sorry, 2 I equal to 3, and I equal to 4. So the 4 will match to the iteration of the 4. Now we will increase the chunk. Okay, let me show you into the code. Optimal method. Time complexity obviously will be n. The is complexity 1 because we will do not take anything in that. So length equal to array dot length, and max element will be 0. Let chunk will be 0. For starting this will, we will return it I length I plus plus c. Now we will find the max element for the current iteration of array I. Okay, and if max element is equal to the iteration, we will increase the chunks. Okay, and after it we will return the chunk. Okay, passing all the test cases. Now let's submit it. Yep, it is submitted. Okay. So here, what is happening? Let's see with this example. Okay. So now we starting the iteration like from the I equal to from I 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we are on the like 1. For max element, it will be 1. Now we will check with that iteration. Is that equal to, so 1 is equal to the 0? No, it is not equal to the 0. Now we will move to on this 0 or 0. Now the max element will be obviously 1 because 0 is less than 1. Okay. So 1. Is that max element equal to the iteration of I? Yes, because we are in the first iteration. Okay, so it will be chunk equal to plus plus one chunk. Okay, now I will be on the I will be on this 2. Okay. So the max element will be 2 because 2 is greater than the 1. Now we will see that 2 that max element 2 is equal to the ith iteration. Like let's see what is the ith. 0 1 2. Yep. So it will be increase the chunk equal to 2. Same with 3, the chunk will be 3, and the same with 4, the chunk will be 4. So this is how it is working. Thanks everyone. I hope you understand it.